Why to learn Python? Python is consistently rated as one of the world's most popular programming languages. Python is fairly easy to learn, so if you are starting to learn any programming language, then Python could be your great choice. Today various schools, colleges and universities are teaching Python as their primary programming language. There are many other good reasons which makes Python as the top choice of any programmer. 1. Python is open source, which means it's available free of cost. 2. Python is simple and so easy to learn. 3. Python is versatile and can be used to create many different things. 4. Python has powerful development libraries include AI, ML, etc. 5. Python is much in demand and ensures high salary. Python is a must for students and working professionals to become a great software engineer, especially when they are working in web development domain. I will list down some of the key advantages of learning Python. 1. Python is interpreted - Python is processed at runtime by the interpreter. 1. You do not need to compile your program before executing it. 1. This is similar to Perl and PHP. 2. Python is interactive - you can actually sit at a Python prompt and interact with the interpreter directly to write your programs. 3. Python is object-oriented - Python supports object-oriented style or technique of programming that encapsulates code within objects. 4. Python is a beginner's language - Python is a great language for the beginner-level programmers and supports the development of a wide range of applications from simple text processing to www browsers to games.